Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Charvik. How are you, beta?
Fine, ma'am.
Beta, wait for others also. Okay, then we will start. Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Adrit. Good evening, Advika.
Good evening, ma'am.
Aditya
Good
Rao,
evening, ma'am.
Charvik, good evening. Divesh, good evening. Shritesh,
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening,
Good
Hamza.
evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Prayas, good evening. Siddhant, good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Rishit, good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, children, we are doing profit and loss, right? Have you done the questions which I have given? Reply, children.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
All have done.
Yes, ma'am.
But you people are not sending me the work. Why?
Ma'am, can I send after the class?
Yes, beta. After the class or tomorrow before the class, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Kindly send your work, children. Fine?
Ma'am, you want us to send our class work?
Yes, beta. Also, you need to send the classwork.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Classwork and homework both you need to send.
Okay, ma'am.
Only Sritej is replying. What about others? You people will send or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Send it after the class.
Ma'am, today I'll send my today's work.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, today I will send my work.
Okay. Please send, children, so that I can get to know how you are doing. Are you writing all the steps or not? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. You people will send now, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's start. Screen is visible?
Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Let's start now. See, Sudhir bought an Almira for rupees 13,600 and spent rupees 400 on its transportation. He sold it for rupees 16,800. Find his gain percent. Children, kindly turn on your cameras.
Okay, ma'am.
Turn on. Yes. So these are R.S. Agrawal questions, beta. Okay.
Okay,
See,
ma'am.
Sudhir bought an Almira. So it is its cost price because their word is come bought. Right?
Yes.
Children, be on unmute.
Yes.
So you will write cost price of Almira is rupees 13,600
Yes, ma'am.
and spent rupees 400 on its transportation. So transportation charges are rupees 400. Then you will write total cost price of Almira because we will add transportation charges, repairing charges, painting charges. Okay, all these charges will include in cost price. Clear? Then it will be rupees 14,000. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So total cost price is 14,000. Now they have given that sold it for rupees. Now here word comes sold. It means this is its selling price. So selling price is rupees 16,800. Right? Now tell me children, which is greater, selling price or cost price?
Ma'am, selling
price.
price.
So if selling price is greater than cost price, then what there will be? Loss or
Ma'am, profit.
yes. So there will be gain, or you can say profit. There is a gain. So how you will find the gain amount, children?
Ma'am, gain percent.
Gain amount first of all. Then we will find the gain
Ma'am,
percent.
SP minus
Ma'am,
EP.
Yes, ma'am.
SP minus CP.
CP.
Good. So SP is rupees 16,800 and CP is 14,000, right? Now subtract beta 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. Then
8. 2.
2,800. Yes, he have got 2,800 rupees extra after selling the Almira. Now we have to find the gain percent. What is the formula for gain percent?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
gain
2000
by CP into 100.
Ma'am, cost price by
And gain
Ma'am,
by
gain by CP into 100.
It will
yes,
be
ma'am, gain
gain
by CP into 100.
divided by cost price
Into
into
100.
100. Yes. Now gain is 2,800. Cost price
Gain
is
by
14,000
14,000.
into 100.
Ma'am, zero stand.
Double zero, cancel. 1 0 cancel with this. Then 14 twos are. Then gain will be of 20%. Right? So at
Yes,
the
ma'am.
end, you will write your answer as gain is equal to 20% and write your answer within the box.
Ma'am, can you scroll
Understood,
up and just
children?
write? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All have understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this.
Okay, ma'am.
Divesh, Siddhant, Adrit, Advika, Aishwarya, all have understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, Charvik, Sritej,
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, have you understood? Hamza, Rishit, Rohini, Shreyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I don't understand this.
From where, beta?
Ma'am, the whole question.
See, beta. In this question, Sudhir bought an Almira. Okay, he has purchased an Almira for rupees 13,600. And he spent 400 rupees on its transportation. And spent rupees 400 on his transportation. So it means after spending the transportation, the total cost of Almira for him is rupees 14,000. Fine. After adding 400 rupees to 13,600. Now he sold the Almira for 16,800. So now selling price is 16,800. So if selling price is greater than cost price, then there is a gain, beta. Right? Because we have got the extra money. So now find the amount of gain. So you will subtract cost price from selling price.
Ma'am, can you
So after
scroll down?
subtracting, after subtracting 14,000 from 16,800, you will get 2,800. So now apply the formula for finding gain percent. It is gain by CP into 100. Solve it, you will get 20%. Okay, Hamza?
Yeah. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I go up? I'm writing.
Yes, Hamza.
Ma'am, can I go up? I'm writing.
Your voice is not coming clearly. Speak again.
Ma'am, can you scroll up? I am writing.
Okay, okay, fine. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, gain percent equals to gain by CP into 100, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, so the gain is 2,800
And the
and
same with the loss percent. Loss percent.
no, ma'am, like my doubt is like in
Yes.
the gain percent equals to gain by CP into 100, the gain is 2,800, right? And cost price is 14,000 into 100. So if we cut the zeros in the 100 place, it will be like
Yes.
2,800 by 140. Again, zeros can be cut. So it will be
Yeah.
280 by 14, right? So when I search the calculator,
Yes.
it's showing 20.
So I have written only 20%. See?
Is it 20%?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Like
Yes.
okay, ma'am.
It is 20%.
Okay, ma'am. Like I got confused.
Yeah.
And because in that equals to 20% was looking for me as 25.
No, no, no. It is 20% only.
Okay.
Ma'am, they were asking the gain percent only, right?
Yes, beta. रुक जाएगी तो खड़ी।
Ma'am, done noting down.
All have written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sorry. Kindly show your thumbs up. Okay. Hamza, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next question, children, is for you. Like this only. See, Ravi purchased an old house for rupees 7,65,000 and spent 11,05,000. Sorry, 1,15,000 on its repair. Then he sold it at a gain of 5%. Then how much did he get? So you have to find the, what you need to find? Selling price, right?
Ma'am, they're asking selling price.
Yes, yes, they are asking selling price.
Wait, but ma'am, they said how much did he get? So,
Yes, selling price, it means, yes, yes, yes. Because he have got a gain of 5%, no?
okay, ma'am.
ठीक अछि.
They're asking us the like the selling price, no? Ma'am,
Yes, find the selling price. First of all, yes.
We need to find the selling price, right?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, Siddhant.
ma'am, is it right?
Yes, it is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, children. May I explain?
1 minute, ma'am.
1 minute.
Mama, send the answer.
I'm checking, beta. Divesh, check it once again. There is some calculation mistake, beta. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
touch me. Which actually no connected.
Ma'am, I sent my answer in the chat box.
Okay, I'm saying. Rohini, there is some little mistake. Shitesh also. See now, I'm going to explain. Kindly check
Ma'am,
your.
Ma'am, I think I got 92,000 something. Wait a minute. I got 924,407.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Now
it
it's
is
fine.
9 92430 zeros.
Yes, yes. 92430.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
9,24,000, right? See, beta.
Ma'am, I sent the correct answer the second time.
Yes, yes, I have seen Devesh. Very good. Now see, children. Ravi purchased an old house. So, Ravi purchased house of for rupees 7,65,000, right? And he spent these rupees on repairing. So, in repairing charges is 1,15,000. Right, beta? So now cost price of home is of houses 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 10, 6, 7, 8, 8,80,000, right, beta? Now they have given gain. Gain is 5%. Right? So gain is 5% of CP now. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Amount of gain will be 5% of CP.
Yes, ma'am.
So 5 by 100 of means multiply. CP is 8,80,000. 0000 cancel. Now multiply 0 0. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. Oh. Right, beta? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
44,000. So now find the selling price. So selling price will be cost price plus gain, na? Right,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now cost price is 8,80,000 plus 44,000. So it will be 9,24,000. This is the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got the same answer, but I used the selling
Formula.
price formula.
Yes, you
ma'am.
have used this formula. SP is equal to 100 plus gain percent divided
Yes,
by
ma'am.
100 into CP, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So 100 plus gain percent is 105 divided by 100, right? Into 8,80,000. Right, beta? Now 0000
Yes, ma'am.
cancel, multiply it, you will get 9,24,000. Fine? So by any one of the method, you can solve the question.
Ma'am,
Understood, children?
ma'am, I did it in the
Yeah.
correct way, but I got the wrong answer because I wrote the question wrong.
Okay, okay. Just take care of these things also. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wrote instead of 3 zeros for the question, I wrote 2 zeros.
Yes, yeah. So just take care of that you are copying down correct questions or correct the values, okay? Else
Okay.
you will get the wrong answer. So
Okay.
children, may I proceed to next? All have understood this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wait for 1 minute, I'm writing.
Yeah. I'm waiting. Okay, Aishwarya, Adre, Tadvika, Ashwat, Charvik,
Yes,
Shritesh,
ma'am.
Hamza, Soumya, Shreyansh. All have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So those who have written, kindly start doing this question. A vendor buys lemons at rupees 25 per dozen and sells them at the rate of 5 for rupees 12. 5 for rupees 12. It means 5 lemons he has sold for rupees 12. The cost of 5 lemons is rupees 12. Done, children?
No, ma'am. Can you
No,
give me-
ma'am. Doing.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, here I'm giving you a hint. Then you will do the calculation. See, a vendor buys lemons at the rupees 25 per dozen. So what do you mean by this? At rupees per dozen?
Doesn't means
It
12.
means,
And doesn't means 12.
yes, yes. It means the cost of 12 lemons is 25 rupees, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now he is saying that he sells them at the rate of 5 for rupees 12. It means, so cost of one lemon will be 25 by 12, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Cost of one lemon. Now selling price of 5 lemons is rupees 12. Then cost price of 1 lemon will be 12 by 5 or not?
12 by 5.
Right? Now which is greater? Cost price or selling price?
Cost.
Ma'am, selling.
Ma'am, cost price is greater.
Yes.
Ma'am, selling price is greater.
We can do one thing. See
Ma'am,
children,
like,
we can do one thing.
I think it's a
The
gain
cost of 1
percent.
lemon is 25 by 12. So in the same way, we can find cost of 5 lemons, right?
I'm like basically cost of 1 dozen is
So
25.
25 by 12 into 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So what it will be? 125 by 12 rupees? Yes. So
Ma'am,
now
what is
selling
the
price
answer?
of this is rupees 12. So which is greater, 12 rupees or this? Tell me, which is greater?
Ma'am,
This.
12 by 5 is greater.
This is greater, right? So selling price is greater than cost price. So there is a gain, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now find gain per amount of gain.
Ma'am, cost of 5 lemons is
So
12
SB
by 5.
minus CP. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, cost of 5 lemons is 12 by 5, right, ma'am? Why
No,
did you
beta.
say
See,
25 by
see,
12?
cost C, beta. Rate of rupees 5 for rupees 12. It means he sold 5 lemons at the rupees of 12. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now take the LCM, beta. 12. Then it will be 144 minus 125. Subtracted. 14 minus 5 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 19 by 12. Now find the gain percent. So gain percent will be gain upon cost price. In next class, I will ask you the formulas, children. Okay?
Okay.
So kindly learn the formulas. Fine?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am, but how did we get 125?
125. See? 25 into 5. Because the cost of 1 lemon is 25 by 12. So in the same way, the cost of 5 lemons will be, you will multiply it by 5, na? So now 19 upon 125 in 200 divided by table of 25. 25 5s are 20, 125, 4. So 76 by 5. Now divided it. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 1, 2. So 15.2%. Clear, children?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I got 15.38%.
Yes?
Ma'am, I got 15.38%.
15.2% will be the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, please note this fast.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Just wait a minute.
Ma'am, after cost of 12 lemons, is it cost of 1 lemon?
Yes, beta. Because cost of 1 lemon will be 25 by 12, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer is 76 by 5%, right?
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I did. Ma'am, the answer is 76 by 5%, no?
Yes, beta. And convert into decimal, it will be 15.2. Okay.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer, but I did it in a different method.
Ma'am, like,
Okay. You have
uh,
applied the formula, right?
ma'am, like in the amount game equals to 12 by 1 minus 125 by 12
Yes.
equals to what you wrote there, ma'am, like equals to
144. But after taking the LCM, because the in the denominator of 12, nothing is written. So you will take as 1 now denominator.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, like I found the selling price of one lemon
Yes.
and then found the selling price of dozen lemons.
It's fine, beta. You can do by this method also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, please note it down fast because I'm having my next class. Hurry up.
1 minute.
Please note this
I'm
fast.
done, ma'am.
Okay. Those who have done, they can leave.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Bye bye, beta. All have written? Bye bye, children.
Bye,